Today, I would like to introduce the newly redesigned Class365 e-commerce experience, which enables institutions not only sell merchandise like books, uniforms, learning materials, but also courses, programs, events, after-school activities, and other educational offerings. The new experience is designed to make easier for prospective students, parents, customers to discover, purchase, and enroll your offerings through a modern, mobile friendly storefront. Let me show you some of the key features and how it all works within Class 365. To access the e commerce module, we go into Modules. Under Marketing and Admissions, we have e commerce. Under that, we go to Dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you get a quick overview of your e-commerce instance, how many products, categories, what's the revenue, and some key information. The first few things you do is you set up your categories under which your products will sit. So you can have a hierarchical category. So you can create multiple layers of which you can add products. And then you go into products. You have the option to add products. So here is a list of all the products. You can add a product. And when you're adding a product, so some key information that you can add here, like product information, description. And here is the most important thing. You have a physical product. You can have a class enrollment, or you can have subject enrollment, or an external link. So let's say this product is an external link which can go into a payment gateway as an example. So we have our own payment gateways, or you can integrate with multiple payment gateways within Class 365. But if you want to just have the product to be going into an external link, so you can use this one. So with the physical product, you can manage stock or inventories. For class enrollment and subject enrollment, you can essentially select the cohort that you'll be enrolling into and select subject from your academic structure. And once the student purchases it, they automatically get enrolled into those subjects. So this is another way of enrolling students. So this is where you can set up the products. We have the option to set discounts for any of that. So while adding a discount, you also have the option to select which products these discounts will apply as well. So you can select those products or multiple products as well. And then we have delivery fees that you can add. If it's physical product, you can add those information up here. And the order. So once the product is being purchased, you get the list of all the orders up here where the status will be there. You can mark the status as delivered or other kind of status which shows up here. If there's any payments which has been incomplete, they can show some information here. You also have the option to export these data as well. There are certain additional settings here where you can customize a landing page, where I can add different logo, upload my headers, and all these kind of different information that I want to show on my storefront can be managed here as well. So let's have a look at how the storefront looks. So this is the modern new storefront that we have built, and it's completely customizable as I shown from the previous section, where you can change or display or hide these banners. You will notice that now there's complete differentiation of courses and products as well. So you have the option to see all of them, or users can select, okay, I want to see only the courses and the products. So you have options where you can manage that up here as well. So if I want to look at any of if I look at all the look and feel is also a little bit different. So the courses will have a different product description page where you can see that it's more like a online course that you've got more description to add. You can add to cart, and purchase. While if it is physical products, you will notice that the physical product page is quite different as well. So you have more kind of an e-commerce product feel, which is designed in such a way that the experience is different for physical product and course enrollments as well. So so that's how you can manage your e-commerce module. Adding the products is pretty straightforward. You can add products up here. and then you can go into carts, and the users can actually pay and make payments here. So here is the options where we have multiple payment gateway integrations. You can enable those payment gateways as well. So that's basically how you can manage e-commerce module, the new experience of e-commerce module within Classe 365. Thank you for watching.